So excited to bring this video to you guys. It is going to be day one, and oh my goodness, what was that noise, Fiona? Come here, girl. Come say hi. Back to what I was saying. So I'm going to bring you my yacht vacation, and I'm going to show you my travel day, getting to Croatia, and then the day that we actually get on the yacht. But this video is just going to scratch the surface because I took so much great footage and I can't wait to show all of it to you. This was the vacation of a lifetime, and I'm so grateful and thankful, and I will never, ever, ever take this vacation for granted. I realize that most people will not ever go on a vacation like this in their lifetime. And yeah, I'm just so grateful that I have these memories and with such a wonderful group of people. And I can't wait to start sharing everything with you guys. Welcome to my colorful life after a gray divorce. My name's Regan, also known as the Easy Ex-Wife, and on this channel we talk all about divorce, dating, living in New York City, and living your best, most colorful life after the age of 50. All right, Fiona decided to get off screen. I hope I didn't shame her, but she's over on the other side. And okay, quick update on my health. I'm feeling way better, but I cannot tell you how hard I was knocked down with whatever virus I had. In fact, I feel so much better. My energy level is back. However, I'm having these really weird food aversions. I normally eat really, really healthy, you guys. And yeah, I've just been really wanting comfort food. And now, I'm almost 2 weeks out from when I first got this illness. And yeah, I'm definitely not 100%, but I feel way better. And I thank each and every one of you for all the well wishes you have sent me. All right, so let's get into the video. I am off to the airport. I'm in my Uber, heading to JFK, and now I'm in JFK. Here's my luggage. And it was a crazy crowded day at JFK. I'm just walking through the airport, and then next thing you know, I'm gonna be landing in Split. Here we go. I'm in a taxi on my way to the hotel. It was about a 45-minute drive. And then this is the absolutely gorgeous hotel that we all stayed in just overnight because we're getting on the yacht the next day. And I took a quick shower after my long travel day. And then this is the outfit that I chose to go to dinner in and meet all my friends. It's a little terry cloth outfit. And these are some of my friends. This is the square outside our hotel. More friends. We had some cocktails. It was by then it was like 5 o'clock in the afternoon. And this is the whole group. We all made it there. Everyone was coming from all different places. And so yeah, we just hung out and talked about how excited we were about getting on the yacht the next day. And then that evening we went to a really, really nice dinner. And this is us on our way to dinner. Oh, just all the excitement was building so much. We had no idea what was going to be in store for us the next day. As you can see, it is just a beautiful night in Split, Croatia. We all went to bed pretty early that night because we wanted to wake up fresh, got a great night's sleep, woke up the next morning and went for a walk with some of the ladies. This is just walking through the square, and then we went to the water. Hello, everybody. Here's some of the other beautiful boats that were in this harbor. I mean, they don't really compare to our boat that's coming up very soon, but it was a beautiful walk that morning. And after our nice walk, we ended up going, oh, this cracked me up, the Brooklyn Bagel Company. I did not get a bagel there, but we did go and get smoothies. Those are my two friends. And this smoothie was so delicious. And then after our smoothies, we walked back and did breakfast with the whole group. And then after breakfast, it was time to get ready to walk to the yacht. So this is my yacht day outfit. And then we took some pictures, and then we started making our way to the yacht. The most exciting part coming up. Little selfie. And there is our yacht. We were just absolutely blown away. It's so enormous, so beautiful. We all had our cameras out, taking lots of pictures. This is me and the ladies. So fun. And then we all had to remove our shoes. So anytime you got on the yacht, you had to take your shoes off. And it was such a beautiful, warm welcome for all of us. The crew members were just so great.
I know that you'll have the best vacation of your lifetime. We will try to do our best to make it so, and to make it so you must have the best crew. If you want to maybe see the engine room, you can ask them, they'll show you the engine room. So we got your Sarah, she will assist them this week. So their job is very easy, just to keep your glasses full.
Yeah, very important.
So
One of the things that my friends who took us on this cruise did was they gave us all this gift bag. And I wanted to show you everything that's in it because not only did we get this amazing trip on a yacht, but we got this bag filled with all kinds of fun gifts, and it was just so thoughtful. One of my favorite things that was in the gift bag was this little piece of jewelry. I don't know if you can get a good look at it, but she picked these up in Split. I think she had found this designer, and so all the women got this beautiful gold bracelet, and all the guys got a cool like beaded bracelet. But we called ourselves the Cruise in Croatia. Get it? A little play on words. So hashtag Cruise in Croatia is pretty much all over this fun stuff. So we got these little koozies. We all got these fun hats. We got, and this was so thoughtful because all the colors match everything in the bag. These are the Element electrolyte drink packets, all in those same colors. And sunscreen. Oh, we each got, all the women got a cover up, which is actually in the wash right now. Candy, these are gummy bears. We also got Jelly Bellies. I already ate those. They were delicious. And let's see what else. Oh, so a little lip sunscreen. And what else do I have in here? Oh, we had these fun little hair ties. This is a gold medal, and I'm gonna show you how I won this in one of my other videos. Okay, a fun puzzle of everyone that was on the cruise in Croatia. And then, oh, hold on, the t-shirts. I gotta show you the t-shirts. Okay, and then these fun t-shirts. And they also had t-shirts made for everybody working on the yacht. But how cool are these? It was just so sweet. And then we all had to wear our t-shirt with our hats, and we were told to bring white pants or white shorts. And so we did do a big group picture, and I will show that to you in another video. But it was just so thoughtful. I mean, there were other things in the gift bag I can't even remember, but you know, I used everything in my bag during the trip, so it was just really thoughtful. I And here are just a bunch of pictures that I took when we were exploring the yacht. Rooms were absolutely beautiful. This was the fun, like, little TV room, which none of us spent any time in because the weather was so nice. We were always outside. Okay, so this was really fun. So we've explored the yacht. We had the most delicious lunch ever. And now some of us decide to take the little Tinder boat over to a place called Milna. So a group of us went out on the boat and just wanted to, a lot of people just stayed. I think about half our group stayed on the yacht, and then about half of us went over to Milna to do a little exploring. So this was the ride over there. Just breathtaking. Fun little hotel on the water. And now we're in Milna, and you know, there wasn't much to see there, but I'm glad I went, and we just walked around and had fun and, you know, just checked out this cool little boat town. So this is us just heading back, and they had more food for us when we got back. Always delicious stuff to eat. And then we all put on our suits and we headed out to, we called it, by the end of the week, we were calling it the beach club. So they blow up these big, almost, you know, it was like a dock. And it's where we would just hang out and everyone would do their water sports. And on this day, you know, we all did a little bit of stuff, but it was more of a relaxation day for all of us. But yeah, enjoy the rest of this video because this is just us having the best time, and I've got some pictures for you, and then there's just so much more to come. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I have so much more to show you. the water sports, the ATV rides, the bike tours. I did some crazy stuff, some fun karaoke. I mean, it was a blast. It was just the best vacation ever. So thank you so much for watching this video today. More are coming soon, and I just can't wait to show them all to you. So I hope you guys have a great day. I love you. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and I will see you next time I see you. Bye.